The noun one is used in maps, news, and travel talk.
1、地図、ニュース、旅行の話でよく使うよ。
The word one means a part of the sea that curves into the land, like a bay or inlet.
海が陸に大きく入り込んだ場所、つまり入り江や入海のことだよ。
The first kanji means a sea area that curves inward. It combines the water idea with the image of bending. You will see it in words like wangan and kowan. Think of calm water tucked into the land. This bay is very quiet.
この湾はとても静かです。この湾はとても静かです。
We took a boat trip around the bay.
私たちは湾を船で回りました。私たちは湾を船で回りました。
The children collected shells in the bay.
子供たちは湾で貝を拾いました。子供たちは湾で貝を拾いました。
The town faces the bay.
町は湾に面しています。町は湾に面しています。
The most common synonyms of the word are irie and iriumi. Irie is smaller and snug like a cove, while wang is larger and often named on maps. Iriumi is a more formal or older-sounding word for a sea inlet, overlapping with wang in meaning. The most common antonyms of the word are gaiyo and misaki. Gaiyo is the wide open sea, not a sheltered curve in the land. Misaki is land that sticks out, the opposite shape of a curved indentation like wang.